I always like to upcycle things and renew things and fix them instead of buying new ones. Shopping is very time consuming and can spend money so easily. Anyway, this is the bottom of um, of my gardening shoe. It looked like that all over. So this is how it looks after I painted it. So you see, it's unique. I don't think anyone has a shoe like this. Just, add color. See, the gardening shoes don't get worn out because you're walking on grass. You're not walking on pavement, so the heel stays good. So try to renew things. Painting is fun. Colors are wonderful. And I bet nobody has a shoe that looks like this in my neighborhood, right?